In India, if you are skillful and you work hard enough, you get enough opportunities to make a change. And that is my favorite thing about India.
The diversity we have in our country.
Best thing is the concept known as जुगाड़. I mean, you can only find it in this country.
भारत में जो सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है वो डेमोक्रेसी है
जो मिलजुल कर रहते हैं सारे.
Constitution of this country, the freedom to speak, the freedom to do everything which we can do.
It accepts everything, accepts his culture, religion, secularism.
The freedom that we have.
यहाँ का कल्चर.
I feel India has got a diverse culture because if you see in every 100 kilometers our language changes, the way of thinking, the way the food changes, everything around, we got the changes. So it's a very, it's a unique thing which I feel across the world, which India has only got about it.
I like the beauty of, like, we have different culture and religions.
You can protest by adopting the way of Mahatma Gandhi, right? Or you can also be a Mangal Pandey or Bhagat Singh.
India is the most beautiful country in the world. As we can see, the most of the people living in India are equal.
Everything, people, culture, food, everything, weather.
In a lot of different countries, if you are white, you get more opportunities. If you are a certain race, you get more opportunities. In India, if you are skillful and you work hard enough, you get enough opportunities to make a change. And that is my favorite thing about India.
Integrity.
यहाँ का freedomness.
Yes, we have grown and we are growing even after pandemic. We are today. It's in this. There is a third wave which is about to come, but still we guys are roaming, and still we have the confidence of in our this medical system.
My idea of freedom is that we shouldn't have democracy just for the namesake. We should have democracy actually. Freedom for me is like freedom for girls should be there. Like, we don't have so many freedom, like, we can't wear whatever we want, we can't go around at night. So that's what I want, like freedom for women's view.
सब कुछ करने की, बोलने की आज़ादी.
Express my opinion. The thing which I want to represent to my country, they hear it. That's what freedom is.
I should be able to move from one place to another, travel from one place to another, explore without being restricted, constrained. I should be able to go hug someone when I feel like. I should be able to just sit over here in the rain without being called out.
You can live freely. You can you can work whatever you want to work. It's my idea of freedom. You can walk freely. You can speak freely.
Freedom is nothing but it's peace. As we can see, peace means equality, right to freedom, right to religion, right to caste. That's freedom.
Speak whatever I want, to wear whatever I want, and do whatever I like.
My idea of freedom is for everybody to do what they want to do, for everybody to have the kind of work-life balance that they want to have, and still get the rewards for the work they put in without feeling like they won't be able to sustain. I want to have a country where even the most vulnerable people have a house, have something to eat, and have something to drink.
Freedom to me is living your life with all the responsibilities and the duties towards the society.
Within reasonable restrictions, the ability to do whatever you want, not stifled by the government or any corporation.